drink in my time was considered a man's drink. Guinness punch, or the other one that's a man's drink, is Irish moss. And the story is that it makes men vigorous, which is old wives' tale. But if they believe it, belief kill and belief cure. So here goes. I'm gonna make Guinness Stout Punch, Jamaican style. Okay, I poured the Guinness in the blender. Now I'm gonna add half a can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of cinnamon and quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. Now I'm gonna add 1 beaten egg. And now I'm going to do a taste test. I'm going to add some ice cube to the blender, and because of that I'm going to add some more condensed milk because the ice cube is going to dilute the sweetness. Here goes. Probably about 2 tablespoons. Jamaican size tablespoon. Oh dear. I'm going to put the ice cubes in one by one through the hole in the lid of the blender. So I get it started. I've added 10 ice cubes and it's all blended. So now I'm going to pour it. And Angela can do a taste test. You want a straw to taste it, Angela?
No, that's okay. I think you should taste it first. Because you know what it should taste like.
Tastes like Guinness punch to me. But this new Guinness is not as bitter as the Guinness I knew as a youngster in Jamaica.
Is that good?
Oh, it depends on who's drinking it. An old guy like your dad would want the bitterness because that's what he knows. So this is the Guinness punch, a man's drink in my time as a youngster in Jamaica. And it takes approximately 5 minutes to put together. Go to my website, cooklikeajamaican.com, for the recipe. And enjoy. Especially now that summer is coming, refreshing. Okay, bye-bye. I'm going to give it to her dad to give it the taste of approval after I finish filming. Okay?